Hey kids, we have already seen how cricket bats are made in one of our previous videos. Now let's see how cricket balls are made. Have you ever wondered what's inside this soft green cricket ball? It all starts with rubber. Rubber comes from trees as a milky liquid called latex. See? It's dripping right now. The workers collected in these cups. This liquid is cleaned and turned into strong rubber sheets using machines. After the sheets are made, the rubber is shaped into small round cores. This forms the inside of the ball. These rubber cores are pressed and heated to make them strong and bouncy. Now comes the soft green cover. It's made from a special fuzzy material called felt. The felt is cut into curved pieces that will wrap perfectly around the ball. These pieces are glued tightly onto the rubber core to give the ball its soft outer layer. The balls are pressed again to make sure they are smooth, round, and perfect. Each ball is tested to check if it bounces just right. Finally, the balls are packed and sent to stores, ready for you to play. And that's how your favorite cricket ball is made. Now you know the story behind every shot you play.